Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video you saw how we set the options and we discussed all the sub tabs in the option tab. So in this video we will discuss what is the next tab. So the next tab is the substance tab. It contains all the information regarding the refrigerants and components. So the substance tab, you can see there are further sub tabs, which is the pure fluids. So let's see what's in the pure fluids. So when we click it, all the fluid information will appear and you will see all the fluids will come. So here are two sub tabs in this option which we can select. For example, if we want to sort them in their short name as it is displayed, or we want their full name, CAS name, chemical formula, synonym, or UN number. So it depends on you in which sort you want their name to be. So usually I sort them in short name. And the fluid set, so here the fluid set, it shows like if you want all the fluids to be available, or if you want some common fluids, or if you are some working only on for the refrigerants, it will just display the refrigerants, or if you are working on some cryogens or some fuels, it will have sub tabs. So you can just select what type of fluids you want. So usually I use all fluids. So let's move on the next sub tab. These are the pseudo pure fluids. So when we click them, it will display you the list of pseudo pure fluids which it has. And let's move on the next sub tab. In the substance, you can see there are predefined mixtures. So this is the library of predefined mixtures which are available in REFPROP 10. So on the top you can see these are some R400 series, and in REFPROP 10 you can see they have added it up to R480A, and this is R500 series, and R500 series is updated up to R515A. So these are some you can say the predefined mixtures which are available. So these were the predefined mixtures. So if there is some component or a mixture which is not available in the RefProp library and you want to define it by yourself, you will go to define new mixture, and here we will just see like if we want to add, for example, we want a mixture of propane, we will add it, and we want its mixture with n-butane. We will add both of these components and we will click OK. Here it will show, you can just change the name if you want, and here it will say that you want select their mass fractions or you want their mole fractions. So based on the mass fraction, let's see if we want propane 0.75, that is 75%, and 25% butane, and let's see, we will press OK. And now if when we go and we will see the fluid information, it will show you the information of your new mixture which you have created. So this mixture is the mixture of propane and butane, 0.75%, 75% propane and 25% butane, and you can also see their mole fractions. And what you can see what will be the molar mass of this new mixture, and also you can see the critical properties of this mixture, that is the temperature, their pressure, and their density. And also what you can see, view mixing parameters. So here you can see like this mixture is it will also give you the literature reference on which it has generated these equations of the mixture of propane and butane. So here you can also see the detail of the reference of the equations which it has used, and some critical mixing rule and critical mixing some parameters. So here you can also see them, and if you want to change them, you can also change them. So this was regarding the defining new mixture. And then if you want to specify some fluid set, so you will just go to the specify fluid set. So here I have specified one new set, which is the ULT refrigerants, that is ultra low temperature refrigerants. So if you are working specifically on some refrigerants and you don't want to always toggle to all the refrigerants and all the fluids, and just you want some small window in which only those refrigerants are available on which you are working on, so you will just make up your own set of fluid. So for example, I have made it, so let's make it again for you. What you will do, you will go, you will add a new set and you will just rename it, and you will name it ULT refrigerants, that is ultra low temperature refrigerants, and okay. And for example, you want to edit it, and here you want to add number of refrigerants which will come into this ULT range. For example, R23 comes in the ULT temperature range. ULT is from -50 to minus 100 degrees Celsius. So here is R23 comes in it, and then ethane comes in it, and then ethylene comes in it, and R41 also comes in this temperature range. So we will just add all these refrigerants which come in this range. So if we are working only with these refrigerants, so then we will press OK. So this is a new set which you have created for yourself for your easiness. So you will just select this set when you are working on REFPROP. So we will just click OK, and you will just see, like when you will go for the this window, now you can also have this set of refrigerants which you have defined, that is the ULT refrigerants, on which refrigerants you are working on. So this is just for your easiness. If you are just working on 5-10 refrigerants, just select them and make your own fluid set, so it's easy for you. You will just easily select it and you will just work on it. And that is for this specifying fluid set. And fluid information we have already discussed, and fluid search. So in the fluid search, what you can do is that you can search number of fluids depending upon these properties. For example, if you know the range of critical temperature or critical pressure or critical density or normal boiling point. For example, if we want to search, or as we have created a set for ultra low temperature refrigerants, so if we want to know what are the refrigerants which occur in the temperature range of let's say minus 100 degrees Celsius to minus 50 degrees Celsius, we will just check it and we will click it, and it will display us from all the available fluids that which are these components which come into this range. So here you can see all these components are in this range, so we can easily select them. We will just click it and it will select it, and it will start giving us its properties and its calculations. So here you can see all these components are easily selected, so it's very good feature of it, I would say. Like for example, for the normal HVAC and refrigeration, we are working in the temperature range of let's say minus 50 to minus 10 degrees Celsius range, and you want to know what are the refrigerants in the REFPROP library which are coming under this normal boiling point range. So here you can see list of all the refrigerants available in this temperature range. So there's no need to check and go and check all refrigerants, their properties, and it will waste your time. So this is the fluid search. So you can just search it depending upon which properties, like critical properties or normal boiling point is the easiest one, I would say. So you will just add the range on which you want to work or you are working, and it will give you all the available fluids which are in this temperature range. Sometimes we also select like this critical temperature and critical pressures are sometimes more like critical parameters on some aspects. So you can also select this critical temperature, and you will get these refrigerants. So this was regarding the fluid search option which we have. So this was regarding the tab substance and all the sub tabs we have covered in this video which come in the substance. So in the next video we'll just dive into the calculation, and we will calculate all the tables which are available in REFPROP. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.